Wall Street, top investors watching your money this morning. Joining me now, Carson Group CEO Ron Carson, the Fitz-Gerald Group principal Keith Fitz-Gerald, and SureVest CEO Rob Luna. Keith, let's kick things off with you. Futures are mixed this morning after the market snapped a 5-day winning streak yesterday. It's going to be another big day of earnings. We just heard from McDonald's and Pfizer. We're standing by for Boeing later this hour. And of course, tech giants Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet yesterday all posting strong earnings. The NASDAQ still ended the day lower. Your thoughts on what we've seen so far in terms of earnings and what you're watching maybe later today?
Absolutely as expected. Anybody who's not looking at these big tech companies and thinking that they're going to do anything other than knock the leather off the ball really isn't paying attention. The world is reopening. Hope is reemerging. People are getting back out, spending money. It's all flowing. The sell-off is very logical. Microsoft and Apple in particular, two of the biggest, most liquid stocks in the world, Dagan. So event managers want to simply sell off a little bit ahead of big earnings, and then they'll be right back into the game again. It's great for investors.
In terms of valuations on these big tech stocks, what do they look like to you? Are there any that are a little more attractive just based on pure value?
Well, they're all at the top of the heap. They're all very attractive because people make the mistake of looking in the rearview mirror, Dagan. What I'm looking at is 5-10 years from now. These companies are changing the world. Everybody on the planet uses products from one or both of them. So I'm very keen to buy more, even at these levels. People have been saying they've been expensive for years. The only thing they've gotten right is that they've been wrong.
Right, and Apple historically has been a buy when people kind of turn against it and become negative, and Apple's always been careful about how it manages expectations. Rob, let's move on to the Federal Reserve.
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below, and of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.